Starting off the morning here at the Vitality Spa to get a massage. Weren't able to actually dock in Costa Maya like we kind of expected. Winds are too heavy here for the ship to actually dock, so we're gonna have a sea day, which is great because we weren't planning on getting off the ship anyways. So, but again, starting off the day with a massage. Gonna grab a coffee at the Vitality Spa little bar here for our actual appointment. Well, massage is complete. Now lunch at the Windjammer. First time in the Windjammer this whole cruise. It's crazy. This side of the Windjammer is still blocked off, or looks like they're getting ready. Should open up, hopefully open up here in the next 5 minutes. So we're gonna wait it out. Plus it's less empty over here and we found a seat already. The massage was awesome.
Yes. Very relaxed.
It was 75 minutes. That's a long time, but
yeah.
It didn't feel like 75 minutes.
No.
And my person definitely found some spots I didn't know.
Yeah, it was great. So it's definitely pricey. There are Crown and Anchor discounts. As Diamond, we got 20% off. So something to think about, especially. So we were trying to take advantage of a port day with like a less crowded ship. The port day turned into a sea day since Costa Maya. It's too windy today, but it worked out and it was kind of a nice way to start off the day.
Yep. Yeah, as Claire mentioned, it was definitely pricey, but first time we did it, first time I've done it.
After 13 cruises together.
Yeah, after so many cruises, I can't believe we haven't done it, and maybe it was because, honestly, the price.
Yeah.
But definitely wish I've done it in the past here. I've done several massages through like Massage Envy, and yeah, those don't compare to the experience that I had on the ship. So
if you want a special occasion, something to do special that you don't normally do, I think it's a great option.
Sure. So yeah, we'll look to do it again sometime.
Maybe another 13 cruises.
But my goodness, best full body massage I've ever had. Yep, that was the right decision to wait this out because now they're opening this up. Only had to wait like 5 minutes. And it's definitely less crowded here on this side. So that definitely worked out. Sarah grabbed her food, and what do we have here?
Rice, beef goulash, I think, and then some vegetable dish.
And some French fries.
Well, yeah, they were fresh, so I had to get them, but they don't taste very fresh.
They don't taste fresh?
No.
Oh, that sucks.
But
Gonna have to get more then. Okay, so quick look at what they have here. We got like a bread station. Well, up here it'll be more for like a deli station. So here's all this sliced meat. So here's some hot stuff. Beef goulash, Parmesan crusted turkey breast. So we got a pasta station here. Just around the corner. Got some rice. Fish curry. It's like Asian style sweet chili chicken. Some pan-seared fish. Sweet and sour pork. Ratatouille. All right. Rolls. So here's what we have, a gluten-free station. They also have ratatouille, sweet and sour vegetables, beef goulash, and rice. This station, we have, of course, hot dogs, hamburgers, mac and cheese, chicken tenders, and fries. So the beef goulash and the sweet and sour chicken caught my attention. Of course, I have to have that with rice. How's yours?
it's okay.
Great, but I just got what you ate.
Maybe the sweet and sour chicken will be better.
Beef goulash was just okay? Or
Yeah, it was fine.
That means it's good. We'll see. I'll try it. Okay, so we're going back for round 2.
We did not enjoy round 1.
Yeah, this is a little backwards though, because you're starting with a. Oh, did you put a?
It's like a cheeseburger salad type situation. I saw in the salad bar I had honey mustard, so I was like, I like honey mustard. Make it work.
But yes, I'm gonna go back for something else. Went to the fry station. That's what Claire just mentioned it as. So I get a burger. I got a chicken tender and some French fries. So we're sitting at the Schooner Bar, trying out these drinks, specialty drinks here that they have for Valentine's Day. And this is what again? Watermelon mint lemonade.
Yeah.
So this is actually a non-alcoholic beverage, but of course, we had to add Grey Goose to ours. It just sounded good.
Well, and got to take advantage of the ultimate price for the drink vouchers.
Yes.
We don't want to be skimped out of the up to $14.
They had there was one that I wanted to get, but for some reason they said that it have all the stuff
The
here.
peanut butter love potion 12. It apparently tastes like a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Yeah. So we need to find out where they're doing that, or maybe they'll do it here at the Schooner Bar later on.
Maybe if they get provisions tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah. I would imagine they were supposed to get provisions today.
Yeah.
In Costa Maya, but no worky. Can't dock. Oh, tasting it. How's that?
Tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
A watermelon Jolly Rancher? Or what about the watermelon stuff that you like to put in water?
This is lighter.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's very light. It's good.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. What do you think? What do you think about the drink?
That was good.
Yeah, that's good. Definitely a chugger. Looks cool too, with the mint in it. Pink. Well, I don't think we're actually moving. Looks like we're just floating out here in the middle of the ocean. Oh well. At least it's nice. At least it's a nice day. Yeah, so far it's been a nice relaxing day. At sea today. Wasn't even supposed to be at sea. Should be at Costa Maya. But, you know, at least everybody that had excursions got their excursions refunded since we weren't able to dock. Or at least safely dock. So we didn't have any planned for today other than just the massage that we had this morning. So, but tomorrow we'll be in Cozumel, and we do have an excursion there. So that should be fun. No, it's just a good relaxing day at sea. Yay! Napped, changed. Now headed to the casino bar for a pre-dinner drink, and then I guess dinner in the main dining room. And the menu in the main dining room this evening is Taste of Mexico. So Claire's dancing in front of me, all excited.
Spicy poblano soup, the best ever.
I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. What I wanted was a steak with the chimichurri sauce, but I already had steak last night, so I don't want to get steak 2 days in a row. Okay, so here's the menu for Taste of Mexico. And what I was mentioning earlier that I wanted to get was the carne asada, because that's actually really good. It's basically flank steak with this chimichurri sauce, so it's pretty good. But now, don't know what to get. So comment down below on what you guys like to get at the main dining room with all the menus. Like today, Taste of Mexico. We had Italian the other day, and then I don't remember what some of the other ones are. But yeah, comment down below on what you like to order. Okay, so the other day our assistant waiter brought over, I can't remember what he made.
I can't remember.
Now he comes back with this thing, because Claire made a rose for him. Now we got this fancy swan thing that's making a heart. So even though we've done so many classes on other cruises, we don't know what we're going to come back with.
A rose.
Golly.
The only thing I know how to do.
We had to look this up. And here's my predictable Caesar salad. And so I got the guano soup. But we got this swan thing in the way, so I have to go all the way around. And how is that soup?
Very good.
That's what you've been waiting for?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay, here's the entrees. I got the butter chicken, and they give you a side of naan. Claire got the salmon. And there it is. Haven't you got that before?
Yeah.
It looks familiar.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
On the same Taste of Mexico night.
Yes, creature of habit.
And now dessert. So I got the flan. Looks like Claire got vanilla ice cream. So, actually their vanilla ice cream is really good. Yep. It's not Bluebell. Oh, I guess it could
That's
be.
good. It may be.
Did it. I mean, Claire did it. All it can do is a rose.
One trick wonder.
This time we put it on top of a wine glass. What'd you say? I use
I used glass and I used napkin.
Yes. Added the finishing touch. I was saying earlier, God, he made these fancy things. Gonna come back the next day with something huge.
Yeah. And I will always have the rose.
Yeah. That's all we got.
So we didn't really do much today aboard our impromptu sea day, skipping Costa Maya. Probably because it started off with a massage and we didn't really feel like doing anything after that.
I don't remember what we did after that. Lunch?
Yeah, lunch. Then we took a really long nap. So.
And then,
dinner.
Gosh, that was it. Nothing.
Yeah.
We didn't do anything
Yeah,
today.
so it was a super lazy day. Enjoyed the day. Kind of one of those days that's almost necessary after, you've been trying to get ready for the vacation and you get on the vacation and you're hopping trying to make it all work, and then you kind of just have this impromptu day where you can just enjoy it. So it was nice.
Yeah, we weren't planning on getting off at Costa Maya anyway, so kind of worked out. Probably would have had the same day, even if we did stop. So, but tomorrow's Cozumel.
And we have another Royal Caribbean excursion.
So it'll be interesting.
And it'll be interesting. Lucho, Libre, tacos, and margaritas. So it's kind of one that every time we see it on the excursion list, it makes us laugh. And this time it made us laugh enough to actually book it. So we'll see what it's like.
Read some good things about it. So excited to see what it's about. Hopefully the weather's good. Should be though. We'll see. See you there. Bye-bye.